Say hello to Play One. It lets you access music from your favorite streaming music services, your music library, or personal device, all controlled from one amazing app. It has 2 speakers, 1 tweeter and 1 mid-woofer to provide crystal clear hi-fi sound. It's simple to set up. And since Sonos has its own dedicated wireless network, you can stream music without any dropouts. Start with a Play One and a bridge, then expand into more rooms over time. Use 2 for immersive stereo sound, or to expand your home theater to 5.1 surround sound. Play One. Listen to all the music on Earth in any room of your home wirelessly.